Well, this is amazing. It is now 7:46 and it's Friday morning, 1 week before we close on the sale of the house and 10 days before we go home. So it's, what about the 26th or so of February? And just look at this feeding frenzy that we're looking at outside the window. I did the last video outside, so as I've just woken up, just looking at, well, I say just woken up, I've been awake since about 7, and I'm looking out of the window at this. I mean, just look at this. You just wonder, how the heck do they not fly into each other, you know? And then of course they're up on the holly tree out here outside the window. Oh, can't really see them, but they're up eating the berries and they're out on the lake. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Thousands and thousands and thousands of swallows and robins. And you just say, well, isn't it amazing? Thousands and thousands of them. You can see them reflected in the windows. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just look. I mean, it's incredible, isn't it? There's always something interesting happening, I have to say. Oh, goodness. Okay, well, I know there's so much of this that you can look at. And, well, I'll just show you what's going on inside the house. Well, there's no cupboard there, just my little slippers. And it's very echoey. And oh dear, where has the couch gone? Oh dear, where has the love seat gone? Ooh, the carpet has been rolled up. And this is all that we're left with. One little item. And that nice little stand, but we'll keep that. And just look at this. A shining floor. Absolutely nothing. And one other little item over there. And that's it. So we go down the hall to the workroom. And what we've got in here is a box ready to go, and we have another box that's getting packed now. I wonder if I put this little light on here, does this work? I don't know, does that make it better or not? So that box is going to stay in the car. And we've got a box there ready just to be sealed up, and we have another box there sealed up and ready to go. And we have this little box here that's getting packed, and that is it. And all the labels ready to go when the boxes come out. And that's it. And 10 more days and we'll be gone. Gone, 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 back to France. So bye. In the meantime, the feeding frenzy continues. Look at them out there. Just look at them. Look, they're all stuck on the tree. Did you see that? No, probably not. I was a bit slow. I didn't see them. I was looking in the lens. I wonder, do they see me in here? Oh, right there, look. Oh, here they come back to the tree. Look, 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 look. There must be bugs. There must be bugs on the tree. And then they go off. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to close off now.